Hi, I'm Nadine from CoM and welcome back to another unboxing video. Today I'm going to be unboxing the Strapa Crocodilus Apple Watch Band. Don't worry, no crocodiles were harmed in the making of this band. And I'm super excited to open this one up. First thing I notice is the packaging. It's really nice. It matches the price and luxury of the band itself, which I really appreciate. So the packaging looks like this. It comes in this plastic bag, and it has the case, and then a little paper. I'm gonna just take that out. So the paper just has this, thank you and enjoy. And then it has like some tips for getting started and how to take care of the band, which I think is super helpful. And I love Strapa's motto. Their motto is very clear. They're dedicated to making watch bands that are rugged, simple, durable, and timeless. So I'm really excited to see if this band fits all four of those things. So let's get right into it. My first thoughts from looking at this band is that it feels really padded. And I've never really felt that before with some of our other leather watch bands, so I really like that. And this crocodile pattern, it's embossed into the leather, which I also really like. So this band is made from Italian calfskin leather, and the back, it is lined with a smooth leather backing with a careful stitching pattern and linen thread. So it's put together very well, and so you're really paying for really great quality and a really durable band. And this band, it's a little stiff to begin with, but it's very sturdy and it will kind of mold to your wrist after a while, which I think is one of the great things about leather watch bands, because they really kind of just, as time goes, they really start to fit to your wrist and feel really good, which I really like. Okay, so let's see how this does with putting it on the Apple Watch. So one really unique thing about the Strapa watch bands, which I really like, is that their buckles and adapters, you can choose between a polished version or a matte version. And so the Crocodilus, this one came with the matte buckle and adapter, and I really like that. I think it really complements the band, and it makes this embossed pattern stand out more, and I like having that option. So they have the option because the matte one is made for the aluminum watches, and then there's a polished version which is made more for the stainless steel watches. All right, so it's pretty clear to see that Strapa is all about their artisan design and craftsmanship. Their attention to detail really speaks for itself. You can find this Apple Watch band at our watch store for $119. And you can find a lot of other Strapa products there too. We have different colors and embossments like honey apple, coffee, and amber. My personal favorite is the amber, especially since fall is coming up. It's gonna look super nice, on trend for the fall time. But I really love this Crocodilus pattern as well. Unfortunately, this one only comes in black. So this black one is perfect for any special occasion. But I would prefer one of the warmer toned ones for an everyday look. Feel free to let us know in the comments which colors and embossments you like best from Strapa. Thank you.